find some work for us. So I have a majority.
You're all working on your own base right now.
18 BMW M4, taking the aftermarket. They are catted, I guess. I don't know what the deal is. I guess they don't want problems. Anything that's aftermarket catted usually sucks anyway, so. I have the motor mount out. I have everything out of the way. Now I need to get the cats, the OEM cats, back in and back up. The guy who did this job, removal and reinstallation of this, did an excellent job. Probably a BMW specialist. And I would tell you he probably charged over $5,000 to do this, and so would I. We're getting paid 9 hours labor just to do this job, not including what it's going to take to get the factory cats to bolt to the aftermarket exhaust system. I don't even know what I'm going to deal with here yet. I'm dealing with what I have in front of me right now, and I've never done this, so I mean, I'm smashing book time here. I started on it at probably 8:15. What time is it now?
9:10.
So yeah, you know, it is what it is. It pays 9 hours, and they're getting billed for 9 hours. And if it takes me 3 hours, that's what they're getting paid for, because I'm paying for my skill, my man. Like I said, I've never done one of these before. The guy who worked on it before me put every bolt back in, and I will do the same as well. And I'll show you when I'm finished. Thanks for watching.